Instime SSD10 is an irregular security steel door made of high-quality steel plate. The ultra-thick door leaf can prevent bullets from entering, and the thickened steel plate hinge makes it difficult to be sawed off. The door has two advantages of heat preservation and sound insulation. It is matched with high-quality main lock and auxiliary lock to ensure the safety of you and your family to the greatest extent. In addition, we support any customized drawings, not limited to size, color, etc. If you like, please contact us.